Rail fan vibes in full effect. Folks, we got another train coming here in Dayton, Ohio on Washington Street under the lights. Getting ready to get this rush on again. It's a damn good rush too. Feels good, mighty good. Nothing like a good freight train. We're about to get one right now. Check it out. I feel good. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na. Here we go. Check it out. Rail fan vibes in full effect. Here we go, folks. Oh man, that horn. I'm not feeling the horn. Sounds good. The engine's, but the horn, wow. You gotta give me a little bit more than that. Working hard though. 777, check it out. Northbound CSX off track 1, off main track 1 siding onto the main. Bulkhead flat cars, looking impressive. Also, these giants looking impressive as well. I'm not gonna leave you out, big dogs. Wisconsin Central in the house. Yes, sir, baby. Real fan and vibes in full effect. Under the lights, baby. Got some more box cars here. I haven't seen a big blue box car in a while. That's always special to see one of those. All right, big boy Conrail in the house. Pro Core, yes sir. Bringing that muscle. All right, folks. There goes our Northbound CSX mix manifest. Beautiful train. Beautiful train. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel, Real Fan and Vibes. Drop a comment below. Peace out, folks.